Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to office.com.pk. Dear students, this is your biology class and we are discussing about the meiotic errors. We studied about the Down syndrome previously and today we will talk about the Klinefelter syndrome and the Turner syndrome. So let us first discuss the Klinefelter syndrome. It is basically the sex trisomy. Basically, the sex chromosomes are either XX in females or XY in males. But because of trisomy, there is an additional chromosome and it becomes like XXY plus the other 44 autosomes. So 44 plus 3, they become 47 chromosomes. Now because they have Y chromosome, the patient will have phenotypically they will look like males and they will have enlarged breast because they have two X chromosomes as well. They will be tall and tendency of tallness. They may be obese or overweight. And their testes will be present, but there will be no sperms. The testes will be small. There will be no sperms at ejaculation and underdeveloped secondary sex character, less developed secondary sex characters. Means they look like males but they have certain characteristics of a female body as well, and because of that, since the female chromosomes dominate, so their testes, they will have testes but they will be small and they will not produce any kind of sperms. So you can observe these patients, mostly the females we observe around us, they look like males because they are tall, and but they have certain features of a female as well, like they sometimes they talk like and they walk like a female. That is why we call them she-males. So basically they are the sufferers of Klinefelter syndrome. So in addition to 47 chromosomes, 48 chromosomes male, in which there was 44 autosomes plus XXXY chromosomes. 49 chromosomes are also observed because of 44 autosomes plus XXXXY, and 47 chromosomes in which 44 autosomes plus XYY, here Y character will dominate, they are also observed, and they come under the category of Klinefelter syndrome. Now trisomy means one chromosome is additional. Okay, now let us talk about the other syndrome which is known as the Turner's syndrome. Now these patients, they will have a sex monosomy. Now here it was trisomy, an additional chromosome was added, but here a sex chromosome will be missing. Like in female, normally there is XX, but if she is suffering from Turner syndrome, there will be only one X, and as a result the patient will have only 45 chromosomes. So individual with this condition, they do not survive the pregnancy. They are aborted during pregnancy. But either aborted or there happens a miscarriage. So those who survive, they will look like females. The patients of Klinefelter syndrome were looking like males, but these are females. And they will have female appearance. Their height will be small, small height, and webbed neck, and they will not have any kind of ovaries. There will be no ovaries, and there is complete absence of germ cells. Obviously, when there are no ovaries, there will be no germ cells present. So we have discussed in detail about meiosis. We have studied its phases, its importance, and ultimately the errors associated with meiotic errors, including the Down syndrome, the Klinefelter syndrome, and the Turner syndrome. That is all about the cell division. Now we will talk about two very important phenomena, the necrosis and apoptosis, which will be discussed in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, keep studying, and keep watching office.com. Allah Hafiz.